Hello and welcome! In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of deleting your Quora account using the Android app. Whether you want to take a break or permanently remove your profile, follow these easy steps carefully. Let's get started and make sure your account is deleted. Open the Quora app on your Android device. Next, tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, from the side menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, tap on Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Delete Account option and click on it. Enter your account password when prompted to verify your identity. After entering your password, click on Done. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Delete to permanently remove your Quora account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.